Let me hear your best sit-down voice to the kids.
You better sit down.
Really?
Yeah.
Sit down.
What's your best sit down? Sit down now!
So Bradley, what's your sit down voice?
Sit down.
Miss Horning, what's your sit-down voice?
Sit down. Ahora mismo.
Give me your best sit down voice to the kids.
If you don't sit down, I'm gonna call mom.
Like the best one to make them sit down.
Hey, Miss Pierce, give me your best sit down to the kids.
Sit down.
Let me hear your best sit-down voice to the kids.
Okay. Now?
Yes.
Sit down.
Okay.
All right, give me your best sit-down voice.
For the students?
Yeah.
Hey, everybody sit down. Let's go. Come on, sit down. Let's go.
Okay. Sit on you.